Check me out. So y'all remember, I told y'all I had some stuff coming for the Ram. So it's finally made it. And you can see I already opened the box because I did a unboxing video earlier and you couldn't have seen nothing. So I'm gonna show y'all what I have for the Ram, and I'm gonna tell y'all the process for me purchasing it, how long it took, and all the stuff that went into that. So I purchased this the end of February. Used the February discount code that they had, and it is June the 5th. So let's go ahead and show you what this is. So as you can see there, this is the Tesla style Android tablet for the year Ram that I have. Alright, so that's what it looks like. So yeah, it took a long time to get this. I purchased it. It was kind of coming off a pre-order, at least from what I can tell. And it took forever to get this unit in. But anyway, so I have it. I think I ended up sending the company a email update in April. It was like April the 6th. Asking for a status, and they replied back about 2 days later that it'll ship out in 2 weeks. I sent them a follow-up email end of May, well after 2 weeks, and they said the order has been fulfilled, but they didn't say that until about a week later. They had already commented on my Facebook post when I had asked them what was up, and but anyway, they said the order's fulfilled, so I ain't have no clue what fulfilled mean. All I know is I didn't have a tracking number. And a couple days later, that Friday, I ended up getting a tracking number for it. And it took a week from China to get here. So y'all know we're gonna get this installed ASAP. But I just want to give y'all a little unboxing video. So this is the Tesla style screen for the 2009 to 2012 Ram. Show you everything else that comes in the box. Whole bunch of cables to connect it with. I don't think I have to use this since I have a center console, but this is the tray, I guess, if you didn't have it, that is sit at the bottom. And you got the little vent cover, so if you don't have the 12-volt power outlet, or if you do have the 12-volt power outlet, you use this. And if you don't have 4-wheel drive, use this cover, which I don't. And this is a little AC trim ring. So I have the automated AC controls, and basically that unit still sits in the bottom here. So we'll see what's up, see how to get this thing in. But yeah, I ordered it in February. I know COVID happened over in China, so that, put a damper on things. But that's just my experience. Ordered February, got it in June. Getting this thing installed tonight. So hope y'all enjoyed that little unboxing. Stay tuned. I definitely will have a video of the installation and then a overall review on it. Peace out, YouTube.